Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 60X, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tapping on it once, recording starts immediately. Here you can switch your microphone, you can also move this menu. By tapping here you can also switch touches, so as you can see when it's enabled, this ball is following my finger, and if you disable it, there's no ball. When you're done recording, just tap on this middle button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album, videos and screenshots. It will be in both of these albums. So from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. Once recording starts immediately. Okay, so I disabled my microphone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.